Is your company paying millions in Oracle support fees and stuck in a ULA you don't need? A U.S. manufacturing company with 5,000 employees and $2 billion in revenue was facing this exact challenge. Their Oracle Unlimited license agreement was ending, and Oracle was pressuring them to renew, despite slowed growth, underutilized licenses, and over $1 million a year in support costs. Renewing would have locked them into more overspending. Exiting wasn't easy either. Any missed deployment or uncovered database could trigger an audit and massive penalties, and the company's CIO wanted to move to third-party support to cut costs, something Oracle forbids under an active ULA. That's where Redress Compliance stepped in. We audited every Oracle deployment, from databases to JD Edwards, identifying unused features and turning off what wasn't needed. We helped the company scale up legitimate Oracle usage before the ULA expired, so they certified the maximum value from their all-you-can-use period. We closed every compliance gap, built a clear certification plan, and even prepared the transition to third-party support. When it was time to exit, Oracle had no grounds to challenge the certification. The company avoided a costly renewal, certified over $120 million worth of perpetual licenses, and slashed their support costs by $4 million per year, about $12 million in savings over 3 years. Now, the manufacturer runs all its systems fully licensed, at half the cost, and free from Oracle's renewal pressure. If you're facing an expiring Oracle ULA or skyrocketing support fees, don't renew blindly. Call us to schedule your free Oracle ULA consultation and start taking control of your IT budget today.